What's up, you guys? We are the Teich team, back at it again in Phoenix, Arizona. I'm Connor Teich.
I'm Cameron Teich, and we are here today to talk to you a little bit about what we've been doing the past year and a half with a Airbnb style business that we named Bluu Door, Bluu Door. And we're really excited. We're going to dive into depth today about kind of a little bit about the business and how we got started and the why for starting. So with that, let's go ahead and get rolling.
So what is Bluu Door? We started, as Cam said, we started a year and a half ago. It's an Airbnb type business. So we have furnished apartment rentals based out of Tempe, Arizona. We have some one-bedroom apartments and studio apartments that are fully furnished that we put on Airbnb for guests to book and stay at. And before this, I had a little bit of experience in the hospitality business. Cameron came from his finance background, but we had never done any type of short-term rental the Airbnb business in the past. So starting Bluu Door was our first step into actually operating it. However, we did have a little bit of experience of a kind of a competitor in the area, someone else that had been doing Airbnb rentals. So we got kind of a secondhand take on what it looks like, but we had never operated an Airbnb business before.
Yeah, so the first part of any venture, opening a business was we were very focused on the name, trying to brand ourselves a little bit, and so looking at how certain companies use color and use kind of a really catchy phrase to draw in attention. We thought of a way that we could use the Airbnb profile with more real estate and how we can maybe brand a real estate type of product. And so the best way we knew how was with color, and we decided to paint our doors of our properties blue, just as a way for them to stand out, mostly in the photos that we took. And so as we were still culminating on what we wanted to be the name, we just thought, well, our doors are blue. Why not just have it be that simple, just Bluu Door? And so we wanted to stand out a little bit more than that. And so we changed the way that we spelled Bluu, mostly because that name for a corporation was already taken. But we named it Bluu Door to make it look a little bit more unique when people would search for us and look up our properties.
Yeah, some companies in branding might do a whole bunch of research and bring on different people, look at colors and aspects and how it makes people feel. However, we were a startup company. We saw the blue doors, so we decided Bluu Door, and it's not that complicated.
It was a very complex process.
So our Bluu Door business, they're Airbnbs. They're based out of Tempe, Arizona. Those of you who don't know Arizona or Phoenix or anything, Tempe is the town where Arizona State University is located, the largest university in Arizona by far. The Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport is close by, and also downtown Scottsdale. So we're in a great location in between the airport, Arizona State University, downtown. There's actually a lake just north of us. Some of you might not think there's lakes or rivers in Arizona. However, we do have Tempe Town Lake. There's a lot of concerts, a lot of events, a lot of stuff going on down there. So we're in a perfect location. I'd say pretty central to the whole Phoenix Metro Valley, where our properties are located. So we get tons of different guests coming in for events or ASU, business, travel, or people just staying for leisure. So we get all types of guests down at Bluu Door.
Yeah, so I can't believe this, but we're almost at 300 people that have come through our properties in the past year and a half, and we've have a lot of stories that we want to share with you guys. We have a lot of things that have happened where we have had to come up with solutions, very interesting situations with certain guests, how we've kind of evolved the business, so to speak, as we've come upon little roadblocks or speed bumps, if you will. And that's part of business, though, is basically just overcoming obstacles as they come in front of you. And we've learned a lot about entrepreneurship through the past year and a half, and we're really excited to share this part of it. Most of our videos moving forward for the time being are going to be revolving around our experience with this furnished rental business, and as well as some other aspects of what we've kind of learned throughout creating a business in and of itself.
Yeah, Bluu Door is our kind of venture into real estate, but there's so many other aspects besides just real estate that Bluu Door encompasses. It's starting a business, startups, Airbnb, real estate, Tempe, hospitality. There's just so many things that encompass just this Airbnb business. There's so many behind the scene things. I'm more excited to bring it to you guys, share, and obviously document and journey our way through and how we've overcome obstacles, as Cameron said.
Well, thanks again for joining us. We hope that you like, comment, and subscribe, and we look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.
This is
The Teich Team.